guys, and welcome to another episode of Uncle Bob's Saturday Jam. Sa lahat po ng new subscribers, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Shoutout sa inyo lahat. Masyado kayong marami, kaya nabanggit namin sa last video. Sana lagi po kayong patuloy na makinig sa amin. Okay, Matchbox 20, push!
I don't know whether I've ever been good enough, 'cause I'm a little bit rushed in. I think my head's caving in, and I don't know whether I've ever been real love, but I had no touch me and I feel like something's gone again. Got a little bit angry, well, this ain't over, no, not here. Well, I will, I wanna push you down. Well, I will, I wanna take you for granted. Well, I wanna take you for granted. Yeah, I will, I will. And I think that the truth's gonna hurt you, and I don't know why you couldn't just stay with me. Couldn't stand by near me and my face don't seem to wanna shine. Was I a little bit dirty? Well, don't stand there, stick nice to me, 'cause I've been cheating. Just a minute, well, kind of a politics, so crazy. Don't rush this, baby. Don't rush.